Hi guys, this is the explanation video for the second component of your summative assignment, where you are going to be doing the cost breakdown for your trip in Google Sheets. So this is your Google Sheets component of your summative. So again, what I have here are the instructions, and you're going to be following these instructions line by line, and you're going to be using this spreadsheet that I provide with you to do all of your calculations. You're not going to open up a new spreadsheet and design it yourself. You are using this specific template that I am giving you. So again, I'm going to emphasize this again and again. So start with instruction number 1, and then go to 2, and then 3. Go do it line by line to make sure you don't miss an instruction. So again, if you completed an instruction, what do I do next? I go to the next one. So instruction number 1 until number 23 is on sheet 1 of the template. So this one right here, that looks very similar to your graphic organizer. I did that on purpose. Then after, again, 20, so starting on question 24 or instruction number 24, you're going to be working on sheet number 2, which is right here on your spreadsheet, the second tab on your spreadsheet. So all instructions after, from instruction number 24 on, you're going to be working on this spreadsheet. Okay, some other things to remind you of. Remember, all the numbers you put in here have to be actual numbers. So even if one of your attractions, for example, is free, don't write the words free into your spreadsheet. Write the number 0. And if you, again, found something and it was a range of prices, like for food, for example, they often give you a range of values. So like for breakfast, maybe it will cost $4 to $8. Pick just a number in between and go with it. Don't put in a range of numbers, just put like a specific number, like $8 for breakfast. Okay, if you have any question, guys, Gmail, Google Classroom, or Google Meet at the end of the day, 1 to 1:30. Okay, guys, have a good day.